Welcome back, honey dolls and gents. And today we're going to be doing another hair replacement transformation. Today we're not doing a custom unit, but we're going to be doing an install for women who deal with thinning edges. Now this client has a lot of hair, but again, she is dealing with some slight thinning around the edges. You know, as just a normal stage of life. She didn't have any severe alopecia, anything like that. But probably just from getting older and just for years of wearing tight braided styles. Now we have braided her hair down, and we have installed her raw Indian hair. This is oh girl, child, I'm just talking so much I forgot I'm almost done with the daggone video, girl. But those edges was on point, child. We customized that hairline with that. We do a lot of plucking and making the scalp look as realistic as possible. And one thing I like about this raw Indian hair, the clients can wear it for generally a year plus or more. It has a very soft, natural feel to it. It's not like a lot of weed that's very bulky and heavy. And it pretty much flows in the air, with the wind. You know how some of y'all daggone people hair is just stiff as a brick. Okay? Child, ain't no bounce, ain't nothing bouncing and behaving. Okay? Bounce where? Okay? So now we are combing it out. Girl, look at them edges. That is, none of her hair is left out. That is the actual hair system that we put in the front so that her hairline can look as natural as possible. Now we're just combing out some of these curls. We already used our T3 curling irons. We're just making sure that everything is just blending together, baby, so she can be looking amazing. All right, and up. Yes, girl, look at that hairline again. Again, no hair was left out. No edges was left out, baby. Okay. All right. These are some of the final results. We already did her custom color so that her hairline looks natural. And look at my client. She's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this hair. It's simply amazing. And it just looks so authentic. I love how this particular lace is the HD thin lace. We currently offer wigs for vets and wigs for insurance.